Hello YouTube, fellow viewers, subscribers and friends. How are you doing today? Today I'm gonna show you how to reinforce the undercarriage of your RC. She's gonna be a simple one. As you can see, I already have some damage here on the plastic and here on the front, so I'm gonna protect that. Already made this plastic piece that goes here in front because this has a design that it has some type of a space here, and I didn't like that, as I'm gonna put this steel plate here. So I wanted this to be everything at the same level. Alright, so I did this piece. I drilled small little holes in the plastic of the chassis, real small, didn't go deep. And now I'm gonna drill here where I have the markings, to attach this to the front. In the rear, as I'm not liking this, I'm gonna put this piece of steel here. I'm gonna bend it a bit so it goes like so. I'll show you then. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I'm gonna keep doing it and showing you the progress, alright? See you in a second for you and in some time for me. So, see you soon. One more step, already bended here and here. I'll put the links for these parts in the description. You can make this yourself with steel plate, but this time I found these pieces for €4 online, and I give them a try because it stays more of a stock look. So this time I went for this. But yeah, you can take the flat front plate installed. So I made two little holes here, two here, and two there. I used that wood self-tapping screws. I cut it with snippers, and I also put two small ones in the front. So this is not going anywhere. And now the front is protected. Alright, now I'm going for the back part. Not done yet. We'll get there. Alright, done deal. This is the finished product. So, yeah, I think it turned out very good. So here and at the rear, I was lucky, and I lined the two holes for the original screws, but here, just by a tiny bit, it wouldn't line up. So again, the same drill as on the front, a small little hole on each side, a washer and a small screw, and it's very, very secure. So there you have it. I hope this was helpful to anyone. This is more strong than steel plate because I tried to drill this here. You see, I tried to drill it with a steel drill bit, 2mm steel drill bit, a new one, and it wouldn't drill. So yeah, this is very strong. All right. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give me the like and see you next time.